Hermione.
Yeah. That's Hermione.
Yeah. Hey, Dean's here. Yeah.
Hello. It has been like a couple of weeks since I last done a weekly vlog. As you can see, I've had my ring resized now and I've got it permanently back. Things started getting a bit more interesting after I stopped vlogging. I got the news that I have a new job, so I'm really happy in my new job at the moment. I've got my energy back, so you might be able to tell in my voice already that I'm different and I'm a lot more energized. I'm definitely a lot more happy. It's really good to be in a place where I'm actually happy at work, and other people I'm working with are happy at their work as well, and that really does make a difference. This job is really active, it's really physical, obviously it's cleaning, I'm moving all the time. Yeah, it looks like I'm gonna... No pickles, don't! Such a rebel. You're explaining that to Dean. You'll go back in the cage. I've been catching up on my vlog. I've been catching up on my blog posts. My last, what should have been a monthly favourite, was pretty much just to catch up on what's going on and how I like to write, and just a bit of my true feelings about weddings and what people expect and what we actually want for our wedding. So quite controversial. Give that a read. Once again, I'll link to my blog. I'll link to my blog below. We have made some plans for the wedding. We have got the venue confirmed, we've got the dates confirmed. So we're going to be getting married in the registry office on a Wednesday, and the party is going to be the following Friday in October. So we've started to sort of unofficially invite people, but we're still working on the invitations. That's Dean's job, so I've left him in charge of that. The only other thing we're debating is, I don't know what to wear for a start. And then again, you'll get to know more about my opinion on what I'm going to be wearing if you read my blog post. I'm going to go put her away now. We're actually going to surprise my dad for his birthday tomorrow. Him and my mum are actually down in up in North Yorkshire. We're going to drive up there to Thirsk, where they're staying, and surprise my dad for a little meal. Get him a couple of pints for his birthday, I guess. So I'm going to pick Dean up from work in like half an hour. Hopefully this vlog will have uploaded before then. I need to get back on track with my routines and editing and things like that, because this month I'm hoping to get back into my coaching again. I know that's something I keep bringing up, but this time I'm definitely need to get back into that. So that's what we're going to do this afternoon. I'm going to go pick Dean up from work. We're going to drive straight up to Thirsk. So you'll probably see me in a cut on the road roundabout now. So we picked Dean up, as you can see.
I'm here.
Why do you do it? Why did they do that?
Why? What?
Bloody hell.
So yeah, we're on our way. See Heather's father for his birthday.
We're at the end of the roadworks. It is a travelling Mancomb thing.
It's like a giant slug. It's like loads of little legs just running. I was thinking wearing a black suit with pumpkins on. I might dress up as a pumpkin.
Great, I'm marrying a pumpkin. At that point I would already be married to a pumpkin. It's really cool. It's like quite spontaneous that we've decided to like come and see my parents. I don't get to see them very often, just with us like living down the other end of the country and that sort of thing. as you can see. My dad was very surprised. And my mum's been trying to tell this story for ages.
Hey, Dean's here.
Yeah.
Everybody loves Raymond.
Everybody loves it.
I'll be editing that one.
Hermione.
That's Hermione.
BF problems.
That's Dumbledore.
Dumbledore. I think that's Dark. That's Voldemort. Dark Lord.
Voldemort.
My fault.
No, no, that's what I wanted. I've got exactly what I wanted.
Fantastic.
Hermione was the second choice.
Lee. Ron.
You'll be pleased to know, love, I restrained myself. I said no apple crumble and custard. Richard is about to enjoy his apple crumble and custard, but he's just said to us that he doesn't want it.
Well, you can have it if you want.
He's full of ruby marks, and I need to be full of custard.
So we're heading home now. It is coming up to 11:30. It's 1:45 and we've just got home. Dean's already been asleep. He's been asleep in the car.
Oh, hello.
It's interesting, isn't it? How when you've been driving and you're awake because you need to be, so you don't fall asleep. And then the minute I turned the ignition off, I was just like, bedtime. I've just got back from work. Look at those. I need to do a bit of planning because, as you can see, Dean's done all the dishes, bless him. I tried Taco Bell for the first time today. I had the vegetarian, I think it was burrito, sorry. It was quite nice. I really like the fries though. The fries are really nice. It's 3:10. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to sit and plan my week. I'm going to start editing the weekend vlog. Well, I have been working in my diary and the my book that I want to get everything done, and I've made a list for the week. Blog that I want to write about spring, but that involves pictures, so I put that because I can easily just nip to the park and take some pictures. In fact, I might do that today. Okay, so I didn't go out to take pictures. It's a bit dark now, so I'll leave that and just hope that it's going to be nice weather for the rest of the week. I got engrossed in my editing and I just wanted to finish it. Got my vlog done. That's now uploading.
And I am exhausted. This whole spring forward thing has made me a lot more tired than I thought I would be. I don't know, does everybody do spring forward?
It's maybe 6:30 in the morning. I'm just going to go for a quick run and then get ready for work at 9. Dog poo. I hope you enjoyed my little run there with me. I thought I'd take a camera along. It did make it longer because I kept getting distracted and stopped to take pictures of daffodils. Yeah, I don't talk to daffodils. Yeah, I wanted to take some like spring pictures, and oh, my flowers are coming out. The most significant seasons are autumn and spring because each of them in some way represent the start, the beginnings and endings of things. My tulips are well and truly awake now. I've got some more flowers coming through.
A nearby commander of Imperial troops. He, 2 officers and an executioner arrived shortly after receiving the message, and their company set to exhuming the corpses of all who had died. What they found in Peter's grave shocked everyone. Peter's corpse was perfectly preserved and his mouth was covered in blood. After the discovery, a stake was pounded into Peter's chest. After this, they burned his body to ash and then moved on to the bodies of Peter's victims. These were reburied with the normal preventive.
Good morning. Just at nearly 7:10 in the morning, and I'm about to do a bit of yoga because I think I need to help my muscles a bit, and I need to be a bit mindful really. So I went to bed at 8:15 because I was just up. I couldn't keep my eyes open. So Dean was up a lot later last night, and he's been busy. Well, I said I'm going to do yoga. I really can't relax when I've got things in the way. Right, so I've done my yoga. Feels so much better now. I'll show you my little setup that I do when I like to do now when I have yoga. I find breathing so much better when you've got something nice to smell, if you know what I mean. So I've got my incense burning and I've got my little candle in my Moroccan lamp. Yoga I think is really good in the morning. I mean, when I go to my yoga class, we do a relaxation at the end. It's really relaxing and like I get so tired that I'd rather not drive after it, so I always walk to yoga. I've home from work now. While I was at work, Dean rang me. I'm just going to walk around and do things while I'm talking. Dean rang me and was like, oh, I'm having lunch and I'm meeting up with his old work colleague. He's meeting up with him, so he's invited me along, so... Oh, what an idiot! Okay, I've just recorded myself having had the moment. This glass wasn't empty. And I threw it all over the floor. So I'm going to meet Dean at the robot. If I get the tram down, we can walk back and it's a really nice day for it. I don't know where I'm going. I'll maybe take some... Yeah, we can walk back up and I can get some nice pictures on the way. Yeah, excited now. I think Dean's looking for me. I think my phone's about to ring. He's over there, look. I've just been taking some pictures of the student union. There's people sitting outside enjoying the sunshine. Okay, he hasn't disappeared, he's here. So what?
I wish I had some Rosses because I spent my entire day looking like this. Love the quick change. I need a new purse wallet.
Well, I call purses the ones that zip, you know, that just zip at the top, and I call wallets...
They're pencil cases.
No, I call wallets the ones that fold out like an envelope, that sort of thing.
Ooh. Scary stuff.
Dean is getting literally hammered. All these yellow balls are Dean's. You just hit them really hard and hope for the best. Walking home now. I'm going to take some pictures for my blog. Oh yes. Spring is almost here. Oh yeah, and Dean has started vlogging.
And yeah, so today's going well.
He's a lot louder.
So like, yeah, poor match. It's crazy having a couple of vloggers, isn't it? I mean,
Coming into Norfolk Park now, and this is the view. Wow, you can't see anything because the focus is all wrong.
another idea I had was maybe.
Oh, there we go, now you can see it properly. It's Thursday, good morning. I'm about to do a quick bodyweight workout, and it's this week is absolutely flying by. Alright, so I'm ready to go to work now. I've got my stuff ready. Just a quick show you what I take to work. I have my water. I'm taking a banana today. I don't normally take that. I've got my apron, and I've got my money, got my phone. Yeah, I managed to dry my hair naturally, but somewhat tame today, so I thought I'm back from work. I quickly hoover the house because Dean and I are going for our grocery shopping. Dean likes to be in charge of the trolley. You just nearly get in the wrong car.
Yeah, lady.
Did I just catch you on camera getting in the wrong car?
Got film video evidence of me just breaking.
Oh, that was funny. Tight spaces.
Tight.
Wish I lived in America. The car parks are huge there.
That's the only reason why she wants to live in America.
And I'm going to make food now. I'm going to make naan bread pizzas, which Dean and I haven't had for a long time. Oh my god, I forgot to tell you, we got a new thingamajig. Alright, so I have washed my potatoes. And I'm going to slice them up like fries. All my fries are ready in the air fryer. Just squirting some tomato puree on the naan breads. I'm going to make it too cheesy. Sprinkle that on there. Alright, and here is our little setup.
I'm very happy. You did a really good job here, love.